Today I'm with a short video upon flux density. Flux density is somewhat same like magnetic induction, so both can be represented as B is equal to phi times phi by A, flux per unit area. Also, flux density is some property that distinguish the materials, magnetic materials. These are the magnetic materials: diamagnetic, paramagnetic, antiferromagnetic, ferromagnetic, and ferrimagnetic. First of all, I will discuss diamagnetic material. Flux inside is less than flux outside, and they tend to minimize the flux inside. Examples are bismuth and helium, and these materials have zero magnetic dipole moment. After that, paramagnetic materials. Paramagnetic materials are the materials that have slightly more flux inside than outside. Examples are sodium and aluminium. And then come antiferromagnetic material. Antiferromagnetic and paramagnetic are somewhat same, that flux inside is slightly more than outside, but the thing is they have different orientation. Paramagnetic are the materials that are oriented randomly, but the antiferromagnetic materials are the one which are oriented in a parallel or anti-parallel situation or orientation. So these are the difference and similarity of paramagnetic and antiferromagnetic materials. Now comes ferro and ferri. Ferro and ferrimagnetic materials are the one which have flux inside in a very greater amount than flux outside. They tend to concentrate the flux inside, and the difference between ferro and ferri is this, that ferromagnetics are parallel and antiferromagnetics are they have same direction, they are anti-parallel. So the thing is, I have discussed di, para, anti-ferro, ferri. Now the difference between ferri and antiferromagnetic. In ferrimagnetic, we can say that we have something larger dipole moment. Some ferrimagnets have larger dipole moments, while antiferromagnets have same kind of dipole moment, but they are anti-parallel. Ferrimagnets are also anti-parallel, but some have larger dipole moment. And difference between ferro and ferri already told you, so I'll show you the figure. This is the figure. You can see in paramagnetic they are randomly oriented. In antiferromagnetic they are anti-parallel oriented, and ferromagnetic are parallel oriented, while ferrimagnetic are anti-parallel magnetic. They are anti-parallel, they are anti-parallel in alignment. So what's the difference? The difference is that these have some of these have larger dipole moments, and these are same. So this was it. This was the flux density topic. See you some other time with some different topic. Allah Hafiz.